Hi, Vin. Hi, it's. I was just wondering how much longer you're going to be. I'm still waiting for you to come unlock my car. Where are you located? What stretch of 95 are you on so I can get an idea on how long you're going to be? Coming off on Eastern? Okay. Yeah, you're probably about 10, 15 minutes away. Now, I was told originally it was going to be 25 minutes, and then you said it was going to be 10 minutes. Going to get some kind of discount, right? Okay. Thanks, man. I just don't want to have to get burned. Great, thank you. I appreciate it.